Cali has always had a connection to the beach. With the Cali Vinyl Longboards collection, we went back to our roots and tapped into the surf culture that inspired our origins. These luxury vinyl planks are longer and wider, and they've got the most detailed hardwood imagery and textures that we have ever produced. Plus, like all Cali vinyl flooring, longboards are 100% waterproof.
Planks measure over 70 inches long by 9 inches wide. That's almost 6 feet, over 45% longer than before, meaning installations go faster and rooms look bigger. A GeoCore limestone composite foundation delivers commercial-grade durability and stability, allowing you to lay planks right out of the box without any acclimation or transition pieces. All this, plus an extra thick 20 mil wear layer for scratch protection against dogs, sandy feet, and all the party people in your life. Attached acoustic padding on each plank makes for quieter rooms and softer steps. And specialized embossing on the surface means planks not only look just like hardwood, they feel like it too. So if you see a knot, you'll feel a knot.
And because longboards are so tough and so waterproof, they're easy to clean, leaving you more time to live your life, both in and out of the water.
Watch more Cali product videos.